Hello, it's How To Not To, and what I have in this box, if you can't already guess, is a PlayStation 2 console that I used to play with. I will be showing you how to clean the inside of the PlayStation 2, and I'm also going to show you how to clean the laser. So if you still own a PlayStation 2 and the games don't run properly, in most cases by cleaning the laser should fix the problem. And here is the controller. I'm not sure if it still works, but we will find out later. I might do another video on how to clean your controller, but we will see how this video goes first. So here I have the original fat version of the Sony PlayStation console. The slimline models was released in 2004. As you can see, the front face is damaged, but other than that, it seems to be in good condition. I purchased the console second hand for about £20 some years ago. So what I'm planning to do is clean it and give it away, as I don't play with it anymore. So as you can see, the fan needs cleaning as it has accumulated a lot of dust over the years. The screws are hidden under these rubber and plastic feet, and I find using a flathead screwdriver makes it much easier to remove them. I also keep the screws in this plastic container so I don't lose them. Something you should remember when you come to reassemble the console back together is the two screws along here are longer and the other screws are shorter. So just a note when you put the PS2 back together. As you can see, this PS2 has never been opened before, as the sticker is still intact. You will find this with older versions of the PS2, and to open the device I'm going to have to slice it open. So you can now open the console. Just be careful when you open it not to break the ribbon. And you can now remove you can remove the ribbon if you want from the console. It does make it much easier to clean. So this is the inside of the PS2, and as you can see, it does need a good clean. It also looks like spiders have taken over the device. And here's what's been making that noise. Looks like the console has been used as a money box. Coins have been force-fed through the system. Through the front face of the device, and that's probably how it's got damaged, and there's nothing I can do about that. I just hope it works at the end of all this. So first of all, I'm going to clean the surface with a hoover using a small crevice tool, just to get rid of the cobwebs, and I'm also going to gently clean around there with the hoover and get rid of most of the dust. I'm going to also clean around the fan using a small brush. You can remove the fan by unscrewing here, but I had trouble getting one of the screws out. I can only manage to get one of them out, and I can only manage to get it out this far. But that's not a problem, and I can still use a small brush to go around there and take as much dust out as I can. So the next thing to do is remove the tray, and there are a couple of small screws to remove. So you're going to need an even smaller screwdriver to do that. Right, you can now remove the lid, and here we have the laser, which will need a clean. And to do that, I use window or glass cleaner, and all I do is just spray a little onto the Q-tip. So you don't want to be heavy-handed, just gently go across the laser a few times, and that's all that is needed. And I'm just going to clean around there as well using the Q-tip, which is perfect to clean around awkward places like this. After you've done that, you can now put it all back together. So just screw that back in there. now going to pop the feet back in. I've managed to also find the memory card, so now I'm going to test the system on a few games I've got here. So here is my PS2 game collection. Sadly, I've got rid of most of my favourite games like Silent Hill, Resident Evil, Hitman, etc. But I still have Medal of Honor, Frontline 2002, which I will slot in now. So I've switched it on. Got a green light. So it's working fine and reading the game, and it looks like the controller works as well, as there's a red light showing there, and also the cursor is moving up and down, so that's good news.
We gotta get the wire cleared! Patterson, you're up! Get over here!
Private Jones has enough Bangalores to clear a hole in the wire, but he's pinned behind...
I'm also going to test it on another game called Test Drive, which was released in 2006, and again that seems to be working okay. Obviously the graphics aren't as good as the PlayStation 4 games you get today, but it will do. It's okay actually. So I'm just going to finish off by playing these games. So I'm just going to leave you with this game. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped. Please subscribe to my channel. This has been How To Not To, and I'll see you later.